Okay, so you probably saw the thumbnail picture for this video, and the question is looking at this house of this downstairs window, can you spot the flaw in the security system to prevent someone from breaking in with just this window? I want you to look at it very carefully, and I want you to pause it immediately. Pause this video. Put in the comment section, do not read the other comments. You put your own comment of what you could see the flaw is for the home security system, your technique of preventing intruders from breaking into your home. What is the issue with this still shot of this window here? Okay, I'm not telling you any other details about the house, the back, the front, the sides, if there's anyone in there, if there's not, if there's a dog in there. The intruder does not know. But immediately I could do one thing right now to help prevent someone from breaking in to my house. Do you know what it is? Did you put your comment down? All right. If you guessed, there is a loose brick. You, my friend, have won this contest. Go ahead and put a like and a comment on this video. Now, why do I say that? Well, a person could easily pick up that brick and smash that window, undo the locks, which are clearly visible, reach under there and go in, and then of course the rest is on them what to do. Now you might be saying, but listen, helping hermit, the intruder could easily bring a crowbar. They could bring their own brick. Do you realize how many heavy things that they are? Yes, I would agree. But keep in mind, you do not want to make it easy for the intruder or for the criminal. And most criminals are not intelligent. They're not smart. Yes, there are some very high IQ in criminals, but they're scoping out usually multi-million-dollar homes. If you're tweaking out, you're on some kind of substance and you're roaming around the neighborhood and you're just looking to get a quick steal so you can go pawn it and buy you some more stash, you are willing to take risks, and you are not smart, you're not planning, and you see crime of opportunity. So you would see that brick, and you think, you know what, it's worth breaking in, going in and seeing what I could find and steal and pawn it and whatever. So that's what I would say to you, is do not make it easy for the criminals. And let's face it, if someone really wanted inside your house, they can get inside your house, okay? Especially if you got multiple windows, multiple locations. If they know anything about locksmiths or prying open a door or kicking down a door, a garage, if no one's in the home and they're not protecting themselves with the Second Amendment and they don't have a dog that will obey, then they'll get in your home. You don't want to make it easy for the criminal to get in your home. You don't want to just hand it out there like butter for them to get inside your home. So that's why you never put a brick. You might have a loose brick or a loose stone. Look around your yard. Do you see any pieces of concrete that are loose? Even at the end of the road, look at your roadway. Make sure that there's no loose pieces of brick, concrete, a statue that you might have out. Put it away. Don't have anything loose to make it easy for the criminal to break in to your house. And also, too, if you haven't thumbs up yet and you're for the Second Amendment, please thumb this up. I'm a huge proponent of the Second Amendment. Yes, I agree that there should be exceptions. I believe in background checks. I don't believe that 10-year-olds should be walking around with guns. But I do believe in the Second Amendment. It's one of the greatest defenses that you can have. And if you're a weaker person, if you're in a house and someone comes up on you, you can protect yourself. I would call it the greatest equalizer that there is. If someone's 300 pounds and they're wanting to attack you, it's the greatest equalizer. All right, make sure you subscribe.